If you're living in the UAE and suddenly find yourself needing quick cash, maybe for a medical bill, car repair, or a last-minute trip, there's good news. You don't have to go through the hassle of traditional bank loans. In 2025, there are several apps offering fast, convenient personal loans right from your phone. Today, we're breaking down 3 of the best quick cash loan apps in the UAE. We'll look at how they work, their requirements, interest rates, and why they might be a good or bad option for your situation. Before we dive in, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and stick around till the very end. I'll also give a few key tips on how to avoid getting stuck in a debt trap with these instant loans. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start with Prime Loan. Prime Loan is an emerging mobile lending platform in the UAE that allows eligible users to apply for instant loans directly through its app. What sets Prime Loan apart is the ultra-fast approval process. Some users report receiving funds within just a few hours. Here's how it works. You download the Prime Loan app, create an account, upload your Emirates ID and salary certificate or proof of income, and complete a quick KYC verification. Loan amounts typically range from 500 to 5,000 dirhams with tenures from 1 to 6 months. Interest rates vary based on your credit profile, but typically range between 2.5 to 4.5% monthly, which can be high if you're not careful. Eligibility is simple. You must be a UAE resident, have a valid Emirates ID, and demonstrate a minimum monthly income, which is usually around 3,000 dirhams or more. The app uses AI to assess your risk profile, and if approved, the money is transferred straight to your bank account. The app also allows you to track your repayment schedule, get reminders, and even apply for top-ups. Now let's move on to FlexxPay. FlexxPay operates a bit differently. It's not exactly a loan in the traditional sense. It's a salary advance platform. Partnered with various employers in the UAE, FlexxPay gives employees access to a portion of their earned wages before payday. So how does it work? Your employer signs up with FlexxPay, and you as an employee can then log in and request a salary advance, usually up to 50% of your earned wages to date. This can amount to a few hundred dirhams or even a few thousand, depending on your salary. For example, if you earn 10,000 dirhams monthly and you've worked 2 weeks, you may be able to withdraw up to 5,000 dirhams. There's no interest in the traditional sense, but you may be charged a small service fee or processing fee per transaction, often ranging from 10 to 25 dirhams. That makes it significantly cheaper than payday loans or credit card interest. What's great about FlexxPay is that there are no credit checks or debt obligations, since it's your own earned income being accessed early. The only downside, in my opinion, is that your employer has to be signed up with FlexxPay for you to use it. If they're not, you're out of luck. And eligibility is very simple. Be employed by a company partnered with FlexxPay. That's it. There's no credit score, no collateral, no interest, and repayment is automatically deducted from your next paycheck. It's a great tool for managing cash flow without getting into debt. Last but not least, Deem Finance. Deem Finance is a licensed financial institution in the UAE, offering everything from credit cards to personal loans, and yes, they've got an app that lets you apply for loans very quickly. Through their Deem mobile app or website, you can apply for personal loans starting from 5,000 dirhams and going up to 150,000 dirhams. The application process is relatively straightforward. You'll need your Emirates ID, salary certificate, which shows you are at least earning 5,000 dirhams per month, and a valid UAE bank account. Once your application is approved, the funds are disbursed to your account, often within 24 to 48 hours later. Interest rates for Deem loans range from 14 to 39% annually, depending on your credit profile and loan tenure, which can stretch up to 48 months. You also get the option of consolidating multiple debts or customizing your repayment terms. And there's also one major perk. Deem Finance offers loan top-ups, so if you've repaid part of your loan and need extra cash, you can apply again easily. Deem also includes free credit shield protection on some loans, which covers repayment repayment in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. So what's the takeaway here? If you need a small amount of cash urgently and don't want to go through a bank, Prime Loan is a fast app-based solution, but make sure to read the fine print on their interest. If your employer offers FlexxPay, that should be your first option. It's the cheapest and most flexible in my opinion. And if you need a larger loan and have steady salary, Deem Finance provides a formal and regulated borrowing route with more structure and benefits. Just remember, instant loans can help in emergencies, but they're not a long-term solution. Always compare options, check fees, and borrow responsibly. As always, this video is not sponsored and no money changed hands, and I'm not a financial advisor. So make sure you take all advice in this video with a pinch of salt. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more UAE finance tips, and let me know in the comments below if you've used any of these apps or have others to recommend. See you guys in the next one.